Today I'm gonna show you how to create a shortcut on your taskbar to restart or shut down a computer. This work from Windows XP to Windows 10 is a simple way to do it. This is very useful when you are remoting into a computer, either Windows 7 or remoting into a computer with Windows 10. I know that you can reboot a remote computer doing Alt plus F4, and then you come to this window, and here you can choose restart or shut down. That will work no matter what operating system you're using. So, but sometimes it's handy to have a restart shortcut or a shutdown in your local computer or even in your remote computer. So here I got a shutdown and here I got a restart. I'm gonna show you how to do it in this remote machine using Windows 10. Just open a notepad with different choice. Just type here notepad, and once you open notepad, you type the command shutdown, and then the switch for restart is R. Then the switch for the time state, and you give me as many seconds as you want. And in this case, I'm gonna give you 00, which means the computer is gonna restart automatically as soon as I hit the restart button. If you wanna do the shutdown instead of restart, just change this R for an S. But since we are a remote computer, I have no way to turn on the computer because this computer doesn't have wake on the on, and either I don't have anybody there that can go and turn the computer on. We are gonna do the R for the restart. So once you do that command, you say save as, and we're gonna save this on documents, and we're gonna name whatever name you want. In my case, I'm gonna name this as restart that bat for batch, and the save type as all files, and then you hit save. So we have created a batch file which name is restart. Now we come here to, you can go to the location or on the desktop. Let's go here to the documents and make sure that we have restart here. So now we are going to create a new shortcut, and this new shortcut has a special feature. It has to be a shortcut for in an explorer because we want to pin this shortcut to the taskbar. I know we can make a shortcut here and put the address, but if you create this, let me show you. If you say that you want to create a shortcut for say for this file and document restart, and you say okay next, and you name it will get the name restart. We got a shortcut, but see, I'm trying to pin this here, and I can pin to an application, but I cannot pin directly to the taskbar. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna create a file explorer, a shortcut, and then point directly to the restart batch file, and then that way we'll be able to pin that shortcut to the taskbar and use a simple click to restart the computer. So it's a simple process, and this is really handy. And the same procedure when you wanna point some shortcut directly in your taskbar. Let me show you the process. Make a right click and you say new shortcut, and in this new shortcut we are gonna point the computer to Windows folder, and inside the Windows folder is the explorer.exe file. This is the address, and now very important is hit spacebar once. So just give one space here, open the quotation, and then point to where you have this batch file. So we're gonna point to the address of the batch file. So in this case we say C, and we got this on C users. So whatever is your user name, and documents, right? And then inside the document we got this restart batch file, and now you close the quotation once you get there. Next, and you are able to name this as you want. The default would be Explorer because Explorer is the Windows application that you are calling, but you want to name whatever you want. In my case, I'm gonna name this as a restart. So let me call this restart. Okay, now we say finish, and we see the icon, the shortcut created here with the default file explorer icon. What we're gonna do right now is just change the icon to something more familiar. You say property, right click on property, and now change icon. So those are the default icons for Internet Explorer inside the Explorer itself, but we can change this and move to the folder C Windows System 32, and inside System 32 we have a DLL file with a lot of Windows icons. It's called shell 32 DLL. So one here, you hit enter, and you'll see a lot of different icons that are Windows icons. So you can choose whatever you want. In my case, I'm gonna choose this X. Say OK and say apply, and then OK. So right now we'll be able to pin this to the taskbar. Let me show you a little quick. So say apply, and now you are able to drag this and put it whatever you want. See, pin to the taskbar. You are able to pin this a new shortcut to your taskbar and move it as you please, whatever you want to put it on your taskbar. And I'm gonna show you, if I hit this also, what you can do once you got it here, you can do a right click into the icon itself or the shortcut and say property, and you can create a shortcut with your desktop, a shortcut key. If whatever key, I'm gonna say the R key, that means that when I press on my desktop Control Alt R together, this is gonna restart my computer right away. So I'm gonna show you now. I hit the restart icon, and you see the computer, how the computer is restarting. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video with other users.